Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Trish's second Section 8 rental property. We were here a couple weeks ago. We are in the final stages of getting this thing done. I want to walk you through and kind of be able to show you what we posted last week versus what this house is looking like now and the transformation that it's gone through in a short period of time. Now, check the description below. You'll see that original video that we did. Super thrilled about this house, guys. As you can see, all brand new siding, all new windows. House looks amazing. Come on in and we'll talk about it. So, guys, right now we're about 96% of the way through this. Still a couple windows that need to be installed. Still a couple doors that need to be installed. Place needs to be deep cleaned, and there's some final trim punch list items that we need to do here. This was originally a 3-bedroom house that Trish bought for around $30,000. We spent over $80,000 getting it up to where it needs to be. This area is fantastic. It's a growing area, and it's going to be a very high value property. So anytime we can, we're always going to add bedrooms. And we had basically a big opening right here. We had a living room and then a den. And one thing that we do is, I'm going to close this because it's loud outside. But one thing that we always try and do is add bedrooms when the layouts fit what we're trying to accomplish. So this is a great example of a large living room that we could then leave as a large living room, right? We don't want to sacrifice the size of a living space where people are going to congregate. But with a den, sometimes we wall it in, and that's what we did here. So originally this was a big open way. You walk through here, we walled it off, and then built a bedroom on the other side of this. Now, walking off of the living room, we have our main little vestibule area, which is going to lead us to bedroom number 1, which is here on our right. And then our bathroom, which everything in here, of course, totally brand new. Bathroom came out fantastic. And then we have bedroom number 2, which is right behind us right here. So you've got bedroom number 1, nice and private at the front of the house. You've got a bathroom in between bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 rather. And then bedroom number 4 is on that far side of the house. I think I might have screwed that up in the original video, forgetting how many bedrooms are in this house. But as you guys recall, there were a lot of things going on the last time we were in here, a lot of construction going on, and still not finished. So coming through here, guys, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is right, originally this was that den area. So brand new windows in here. This was all wide open. So this is that back side. We walled this whole thing off, built a closet in here, and just made this a really nice piece of room. So this entire wall was not here either. So this was all wide open. This wall right here is brand new. This entire wall is brand new. And we've created now bedroom number 3 that otherwise fits in with the natural layout. We didn't sacrifice anything in this house to add really significant value. So as we keep walking through here, we walk into the kitchen. We've updated electrical very significantly. As I said, we need a lot of cleaning to be done here. We didn't want to paint these yet because they're pretty dirty. So same thing with the stove. This stove's getting picked up actually later today. Same thing with this. This is getting picked up later today too. So these are both getting out of here. And once this is cleaned up, all this will be painted and look really good. All brand new electrical, guys, and new windows in here as well. So kitchen came out really nice. We have a laundry room off of the kitchen too. So the laundry room with washer dryer hookups. This is nice because it's separated. It's not included in the kitchen. You're not sacrificing kitchen space for it either. So guys, originally we had a pantry right here, okay? The pantry we ended up deleting. We put a wall here. And we created this, which was originally the closet of bedroom number, which is now bedroom number 4, which was bedroom number 3. Turned this into a hallway, and now we have bedroom number 4. And the nice thing about this is, yes, it is connected to bedroom number 2, but you can get to this bedroom through the kitchen. So you're not stuck having to go through a bedroom to get to another bedroom, which is always a very nice feature to have. Now, this door right here, this is now our closet. As you can tell, this is the back half of that pantry. This was a pantry, and now it's our closet. So this was a house, guys, that was in utter disarray, absolute disarray. We did a ton of stuff here to make this house into what it is now. As a 4-bedroom, we're going to get about somewhere between $1,300 and $1,400 a month in rent for this. It's gotten a ton of attention so far. We've gotten a ton of calls on it. Whenever you can add brand new siding to the outside of a house, whenever you can put we put a brand new metal roof on this house, that thing's gonna last 60, 70 years easily. Whenever you do things like that, they stick out like a sore thumb in the neighborhood because there's not a lot of other houses that have brand new vinyl siding, brand new vinyl soffits, brand new metal roofs, brand new everything, brand new windows. You can just tell that they become then the gem of the neighborhood. And what happens is there's a fight over these units for tenants, and you end up seeing dozens of applications, which in turn, as a landlord, gives you the ability to choose the best tenants. And a lot of times people might say, well, I want to get into a house and put in the absolute minimum. Well, that's what you're going to get in return in terms of tenant applications and the field of tenants that you generate. When you create a product that's rare, people are going to rush to it. It's the same thing that you do when Apple comes out with the new and best iPhone, right? Or a technology company comes out with something new and improved and it's the best. Everybody goes to it. It's the same thing with rental properties and with Section 8. The Section 8 program, it's a free market program. So it's not like there's a list of people and you just choose the next one, they get your unit. That's not how it works. When you come to market with a rental unit, people can choose to live here. So you have to have a product that is better than the competition. That's what we do here. And if that's what you guys want to do, if you want a product that is better than the competitions, if you want to come on market with these things and do this, Trish has never been here. She's never seen her rental properties. Send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll get you set up. Use me and my team, and this could be a reality for you. So looking forward to hearing from you guys, and we'll see you next time.